Bitcoin, May 24th, 2026, weekly update. Going from the top-down analysis of Bitcoin, starting with the monthly time frame, we have price action rising, then falling back from October all the way down to February. Then we had an indecision here in April, then a burst up back in April, and now we're in May. We're going to see how this candle responds, even though we had a bullish candle next one, which continues to give a possibility that will keep on going up for the long term for the monthly, or for the week, monthly actually. For the weekly, we have each candle here is a week. We are above the 200 MA, so that is bullish. Went down, lower highs down here, but we have lower highs up here. So it could be a bounce off of the 200 MA possible. Either way, right now we're currently in a bullish state for the weekly. And we go down to the daily, we have price action below the 200 MA, which shows weakness, show possible bearishness. So we're having these lower lows, or lower highs. Each high here is getting lower, showing weakness for the downside. Go down to the 1 hour, price action went below the 200 MA, showing weakness. But right now we're right at the level of the 200 MA, so we're going to see if it pops up or gets rejected and pulls down even more. When we're all considering all these, we're going to say it's a new week, so we have to go see the CME Gap and see if there's anything being magnetically drawn to any side, to any price, which we have here in Bitcoin a lot of CME gaps. So if you total up, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 open CME gaps. So my price action could go anywhere to probably fill these guys, and one remaining up at the top right here. We have one farther down below, which is a possibility, but less so. But that could be a target down to 67. Just to keep note of that, keep that in our minds. When we go to the trending line, we see we have a 4-hour trending line that crossed through here. Price broke above the 4-hour action line here, and now actually is bouncing off of this accumulation. It's bouncing and off this new safety line I drew as well too. But right now you can see price action is literally on top of the 200 MA. So which direction, if it gets popped up or been pushed down to a lower time frame, is the question. We got these news drivers coming out. So as of right now, we have red, which is mostly high impact news drivers. So this is core PCE price action and preliminary GDP. So that may affect the movement of the market. We'll have to keep an eye on that. So we'll see if it actually continues and bounces above the accumulation range or not. But overall, we see we're right at an indecision point. We don't know if it's bullish or bearish. We'll just have to see how price responds out when market gets going. And that is the update for Bitcoin in May 24th, 2026. Well, that's the daily update.